Okay, this is a question on problem solving using quadratic equations. So it says the length of a rectangle exceeds its width by 6 centimeters. If the area of the rectangle is 160 centimeters squared, find its length and width. So the length of a rectangular, the length exceeds the width by 6. So say, for example, we assume the width is going to be equal to x, so that means the length is going to be x plus 6. And it says if the area of the rectangle is 160, we have to find its length and width. So what happens when you're finding the area, you go width by length is equal to the area. So, and then when we multiply out our brackets, we've got x squared plus 6x is equal to 160. I now need to take away 160 on both sides. So I've got x squared plus 6x minus 160 is equal to 0. And then I'm able to factorize my quadratic. So either factors of x squared or x and x. The factors of 160 might be a bit harder to find, but we can try. Now we need to try to find factors that have a difference of 6, so the factors that you will find are 16 and 10. And then x by 10 is 10x, x by 16 is 16x. How can I get plus 6x out of that? I need to plus my 16 and minus my 10. So it's going to be minus here and plus here. So it's going to be x plus 16, bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. And then to do the last part, we're going to do it over here. So it's x plus 16 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 16. That cannot happen. We can't have a negative distance. And then the other part is x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 10. So I know my width is going to be equal to 10 centimeters. And my length is 6 more than that. So my length is going to be equal to 16 centimeters. Now it's very important at the end to make sure you read the question again and make sure you've answered what you've been asked. If you left your answer here, you would not get full marks since you haven't actually answered the final question.